Question number 3 says to sketch the graph or sketch one graph with the following transformations. So transformations here refers to how this graph is going to be moved. We're going to take this graph and we're going to reflect it over the x-axis, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second, and then we're going to translate it up 3 spaces. So the first thing in this case is the reflection over the x-axis, and when you reflect something over the x-axis, it should be the same distance away, but on the other side of the x-axis. So for example, this point that's on the x-axis won't move. But this point here, 1, 1, is 1 above the axis, so we're going to move it to 1 below. And then this point here at 4, 2 is 2 above, so we're going to move it to 2 below. And so I'm going to draw this as a dotted line because this is not my final graph. This is just the reflection over the x-axis. So remember, we took every point that was above the line and moved it the same distance below the line. Then we're going to take each of these points and move them up 3 units. So I'm going to take this one and move it up 3 units. This point is going to go up 1, 2, 3 units. And this point is going to go up 1, 2, 3 units. And so my answer here is this solid line, which has been reflected and moved up 3 units. If I want to write this new function, they gave me the parent function. I know it's square root. So I'm going to say y equals, in order to do the reflection, we make it negative on the outside. So negative square root of x. And then the up 3 is a plus 3, but the 3 should not be underneath the radical. If it were under the radical, that would be a left or right. And so I did the reflection over the x-axis, which is kind of what we would be referring to as opening down, and then I moved it up 3. The negative here is the reflection, the plus 3 is the up 3.